Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Emily, and this is my sister Abigail. And today we're going to be mixing all of our slimes together, and we're going to be seeing what color they turn out to. Nobody knows. And comment down below which slime is your favorite. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you can go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And yeah, let's get started. Hold on, I'll be right back. Well, I took it out of the plastic bag and I got this.
So green and pink.
This is green and pink with a little bit of white.
And it's all a different color.
Can I just pick the next color?
I'm pulling that one.
Oh, it's pretty. Here, let me help you out.
No, I don't need help.
Whoa, this feels so nice.
So guys,
Look at this.
so when I thought we make slime all the time because
It's fun to make. Look at this. Beauty. Next slide.
No, I'm gonna do it.
Okay, wait. I'm just gonna take this one out. At home. Just take it out and put it in. Oh, it feels so nice. I wish you guys could feel this. It feels so nice. Especially this pink slime. We made this pink slime today. I forgot to do something. And it feels so nice. It's professional. Yeah. And now we're just gonna mix all our white slimes.
yeah.
And yeah. So and then we're gonna mix them all together and see what color we get.
And then my friend.
It's like a marshmallow. Look, guys.
It's a different color.
Now I feel like it's turning into a brown.
And rainbow.
No, brown. Brown, Abigail.
Here,
Brown. This is so bad. I hate the color.
I don't.
This color is so bad. This color is so bad. Look guys, look how ugly this color is. Oh my god.
That was ugly.
It's so ugly. Let me help you there.
I don't need help.
Fine. You can just hurry up and pour it in. This is so cool. I like all the colors together. They usually have white. I don't know why. Some of them have glitter in it, so we made most of the slimes with glitter slimes. I try to save my glitter, but once when I first came over, Abigail took all the glitter. She used like half the bottle of the glitter.
And when Ava was and Olivia was here, I made glitter grass slime.
Yeah, we called it glitter grass slime.
Yeah.
Oh! Guys, you gotta see this. Absolutely. Look how pretty. Sometimes I feel like it's rubber. And some of the slimes I made with but most of the slime that I made with this is contact solution. Actually, all of it was with contact lens solution. Can I please have the other bag? Whoa, guys, look at that multitude of disgusting color. Can I have the other bag, please?
You mean that?
Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you. Sit on your bottom, Abs. Get it? Bottom. Anyway, so this is the last bag. And it's so, oh my goodness. feels so nice. And after we're gonna put it on the table and mix it all together. Oh, it feels so nice. Should we add gum to it?
Gum?
This gum.
Yeah.
Do you think we should add this? Okay. This goes like right here. So this is where it's gonna go. And my mouth. Never gonna go in the slime. Never. Ever. Ever. Give me a piece. This is like wet as marshmallow. Guys, you gotta see this. It's like white as marshmallow.
We should add gum to it.
Never.
I'm gonna add gum.
And comment down below if you think we should do 3 a.m. slime. I think it's a normal hour. Like nothing will happen. Of course it's slime's real, but stuff else, this stuff's not real stuff.
He had a girl named Julian. Her data
Oh
ball.
yeah, there's a girl named Julian.
Her data ball.
Goodness. She's so, oh my goodness. Is that all the slimes? Yes, it is. So now, I pick this up. Oh, it's so heavy. Look at this, guys. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me see if I can make a bubble. Oh my. Look at this, guys.
Guys, if something happened to the slime, something may come.
All of this is like fluffy slime, except for the pink one. The pink one's not fluffy slime. Let's see if it passes the poking test. Poking test, poking test. What are you trying to do? Now let's see if it passes the bubble test. Don't do anything, Abs. Don't touch, don't touch, don't touch, don't touch. Okay, it's like literally green. It failed the poking. It failed both. Just look at this, guys. So amazing. Like, I wish you guys could just touch this. Just look at that. So it's an ugly green. I don't like the color, but the pink just disappeared. I don't want my pink. Look at this, guys. It's like literally, it passed the bubble test now. Yay! Oh, and I'll be right back.
So, let's press the button. I'm just going to put this button in the middle. I found a baby bubble.
What am I trying to do? It's a light pink. I would call it a purple. Very goopy, very good. Hopefully it'll bring out the pink. Just look at this, guys. We even added some beads to it. That was Abigail's idea. I'm just gonna drop it in. Blob. I hope that makes it so much
you
better.
touch between white slime we just did to
It's so ugly. I hate this color.
I don't.
You don't like that color? I don't. I hate it.
So
It's not
guys,
stretchy. I mixed this bath slime with all the other slimes. Okay, excuse me. Look, guys, the bubble.
it got good. Ooh. So guys, if you made this again, you might hear you gloves. You Yeah, because your hand might get sticky, like
Look,
the,
guys,
like,
wait, watch this.
it's sticking to me.
Ta-da!
But
Really? This is so nice. And
Guys,
one day, we're gonna
Ready,
make,
wait.
when we get to 30 subscribers, we're gonna make 1 gallon of slime. 30 subscribers. And that will be in one of my channels by myself. And yeah, and we hope you all like our channels. And don't forget to also keep on pressing the subscribe button, just so we can see if you want to see that video when we wind down a puppy slime. And yeah, and I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Bye, guys.
Bobby going to the mega.
Yeah. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Oh, why did you press? Did you press that button?